So what up everyone? Today we'll be tackling about the matrix algebra. So in this, we will have the definition of what is a matrix. Then the addition and subtraction of a matrix. Then we'll have the scalar multiplication. And after that, we'll have the multiplication of a matrix. Then lastly, we'll have the transpose. So now, let's have this. So a matrix consists of rows and columns. So in this, the horizontal part of it is what you call a row, and the vertical part of it is the column, just like that. Since these have 2 rows and 3 columns, we will label them as this: 2 rows, then 3 columns. So this matrix is a 2 by 3 matrix, since R is by the column. So the first one is the 2 and the second one is the 3. Since the first one should always be the row, second one is the column. So now let's proceed to the addition and subtraction of a matrix. So matrix A is equals to 8, 9, 7, 5, 6, 10. Matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So matrix A plus B is equals to matrix A rather, 8, 9, 7, 5, 6, 10 plus matrix B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we just simply add the corresponding elements of the terms in the matrix. So for example, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 5, and 10 plus 6. Now just do the math and you'll have your final answer, which is 9, 11, 10, 9, 11, and 16. So that is your final answer. So in subtraction, actually this subtraction and the addition of a matrix is not that far from each other. You'll just use the subtraction if it is the subtraction of a matrix. So just like that, 8 minus 1, 9 minus 2, 7 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 5, and 10 minus 6. Then do the math. That will be 7, 7, 4, 1, 1, and 4. That is your final answer. So in scalar multiplication, we will use this symbol as the scalar and the A as the matrix. So it actually it really depends on you on what letter you use in that. So for example, we'll have a scalar of 3 and matrix A is equals to 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. So the scalar multiplied to the matrix. So just substitute 3 and the matrix 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. So to multiply a scalar, you will only just multiply it to each of the element of the matrix. For example, this 3 multiplied to 2, then 3 multiplied to 1, and 3 multiplied to 3, 3 multiplied to 3, 3 multiplied to 2, then lastly 3 multiplied to 1. So just multiply it all and you'll have your answer, which is 6, 3, 9, 9, 6, and 3. So now we're done with the scalar multiplication. We will now proceed to the multiplication of matrices. Example, we have matrix A, which is 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 7, and matrix B as 0, 3, 1, negative 2, 5, and 8. So notice that the matrices have different rows and columns, since the reason behind it is that you'll have to multiply the matrix with the same column and with the same row, just like that, 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. So the product of that will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's now do the process. So matrix A multiplied to matrix B, just like that. So remember, the product of it will result in a 2 by 2 matrix. So to multiply it, we'll first multiply the first row of the matrix A and the first column of matrix B. So just like this, 1 multiplied to 0 plus 3 multiplied to 1 plus 2 multiplied to 5. So the answer will be 0 plus 3 plus 10, and that would be equals to 13. So note that the order should be like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for the second answer, we'll have the first row of matrix A multiplied to the second column of matrix B. So that would be 1 times 3 plus 3 times negative 2 plus 2 times 8. So that will be 3. Then we will distribute the positive sign, so that would become a negative 6 plus 16. So the answer is negative 3 plus 16, which is 13. So as for the process to get the answer of number 3, it is only the same. We have to multiply the second row of matrix A and the first column of matrix B. That would be 2 times 0 plus 4 times 1, then 7 times 5 is equals to 35. So that would be 0 plus 4 plus 35, that would be 39. So for the last one, we'll have to multiply the second row of matrix A and the second column of matrix B. So just like that, and just like the same as before, we'll distribute the positive sign so that it became negative 8. So that would be 6 minus 8 is negative 2 plus 56, that would be 54. So now we'll get the answer, which is 13, 13, 39, and 54. So as for the transpose, for example, we'll have matrix A, which is equal to 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 7, which is a 2 by 3 matrix. So to transpose matrix A, we'll have just a simple process. So in order to transpose it, we will just make the first row of matrix A into the first column of matrix B, and the second row of matrix A will become the second column of matrix B. So just like that, see the process. We'll now have our final answer, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 7. And it became a 3 by 2 matrix. So just like that, guys, we can now operate a simple matrix algebra. So that will be all, and thank you. Bye bye.